Hello, welcome to Enots Engineering. I'm Alan. In today's video we'll make this dovetail block that fits into the cross slide. So let's go into the workshop, see how we do it. Today in the workshop I want to start by making this part. It consists of a dovetail on a 35mm diameter bar. That goes into the hole, and at the side here you've got two grub screws which lock it in position. And the first job is to put the 4-jaw chuck on. I've taken some time to set this up. Now I've got the end of the bar running within a thou. Each division on here is half a thou. I fitted a revolving centre on the end to support the bar. Now I've just marked out the position there of the depth of the dovetail and the position there where I want to keep this part parallel. The next job is to set the top slide at 25 degree, set the tool up and then start to cut into the steel at 25 degrees. I've changed the tool again for a tool that's better shaped to get in there. The problem I've got is I've had to put the tool at an angle on the tool post because of the angle on the tool, and obviously I can't go too far around because the tool post will start to hit the Jacob's chuck. So I'll try it at that and see how we go. Just change the tool slight angle. Now I've got problems again with the tool post actually touching the Jacob's chuck. So what I could do with really is a centre that's a lot longer than that to move the chuck out of the way. To overcome the problem of the centre being too small and the tool holder hitting the edge, I've changed it for a solid centre, so you have to watch that it doesn't overheat by keeping it oiled. But I think I've done the job now. That looks about right. I'm looking for about 3mm here, which looks about right, and no more than 14mm from the edge of that to the depth. Well, that's about 13.8, 13.5, somewhere around there. That's okay. So all I need to do now, part it off at the correct length. I've set the parting tool up, just parting it off there. I'm on a slow speed. This is just oil. Put the part I've parted off back in the chuck, clocked it up true. I just need to face it off to get the 12mm distance there, which is 0.3. The tap's got a centre on the end, so I can put that in the hole and use a revolving centre to create a thread. So I've put my expanding mandrel in the headstock so I can turn the head, and I'm just feeding that in. I'll turn it by hand. Just some engine oil. So this is the lathe top slide with that dovetail on. This is the one we've just made, and that should fit in there. And then when you tighten these hexagons up, it locks that into position. The next job is to machine this plate so that this diameter will fit in there. That can go on the top, and you can turn this. So on the next video I'll be machining this plate. Thanks for watching, and if you liked it, why not subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Enots Engineering.